Savita visited a bookstore in her neighborhood. She purchased 9 storybooks for her brother. The price of each storybook is 24 rupees. Can you find how much money does Savita need to pay for the storybooks?
Find the cost of 9 storybooks. Per storybook is rupees 24. To find the cost of 9 storybooks, we multiply rupees 24 by 9. 9 times 24 is 216. So 9 storybooks is nothing but rupees 216. So Savita need to pay for the storybooks rupees 216. Savita also bought a novel for herself. There are 216 pages in the novel. If Savita reads 24 pages each day, can we find in how many days will Savita complete the novel? So here the 24 is multiplied by 9 is 216. Here the 216 is pages, number of pages. 24 is nothing but the Savita reads in one day how many pages he has read. To find the number of days Savita needed to complete the novel, we divide 216 by 24. On dividing 216 by 24, we get 9. So, Savita will complete the novel in 9 days. Look at these two statements. Do you notice anything special about these statements? 24 multiplied by 9 is equal to 216, and the second statement is 216 is divided by 24 is equal to 9. These statements involve the same numbers but different operation of multiplication and division. The first statement showing that when we multiply the factor 24 by another factor 9, we get 260 is the product. And the second statement shows when we divide the dividend 216 by the divisor 24, we get 9 as a quotient. Here the 24 and 9 are factors. It gives the product 216. So when we multiply these two factors, we get product. Look how product has becomes a dividend. One of the factor has become a divisor and the other factor has become quotient. This shows the multiplication and division related to each other. Let us explore the relationship further. Children, let us see the relation between the multiplication and division. They given the cost of one book is equal to rupees 24. Therefore, the cost of 9 book is equal to rupees 24 multiplied by 9. We arrange the numbers according to the place value. So, 24 multiplied by 9. Now, you come to the ones place. Here we have 4. It will want to multiply by 9. So, 4 nines are 36. So, 9 fours are 36. So, cut the 6 and write under the ones place. Carry over this 3 into the tens place. Then 2 nines are. So 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 3 we get 21. So under tens place I write on 21. So now we get the answer rupees 216 for the cost of 9 books. Now you see the relation between the multiplication and the division. Here the factor, one factor is changed into divisor, the another factor is changed to quotient. The product becomes a dividend. In the second problem, the total number of pages in novel 216. Number of pages Savita read one day is equal to 24. Therefore, how many days Savita need to complete the novel? Therefore, 216 divided by 24. So I take divide the number like 216 divided by 24. I draw two lines enclosing the dividend 216. Then write the divisor 24 on the left. As start looking at the dividend, we have 22 2 in the first digit is less than the divisor 24. So I take the second digit. Now I have 21. So this is also less than the divisor 24. So I take the 3 digit 216. So now I check the table 24 how many times in 24 in 216. So the 24 times 9 is equal to 216. So the 9 times I write on above the line. Then 216 write on below the 216. Now I subtract 216 from 216. I get 0. So 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder here. So students, I hope today you have to learn the difference between the multiplication and division. Thank you.